Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I'm going to show you how to take your Ford Fusion and put the electronic park brake into service mode. That way you can change the brake pads and rotors. So on some Ford Fusion models there is an electronic park brake, and when you go to press the piston back into the caliper, it will not go without putting this caliper into a service mode. So I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of doing that. Okay, to set the park brake into service mode, you're going to have your ignition turned on. You're going to make sure the vehicle's in neutral. And what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the park brake switch here downwards. Push it downwards. At the same time, you're going to hold the accelerator pedal down to the floor. So you're going to hold them both down like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to cycle the key off, continuing to hold the park switch and the brake accelerator pedal, and then you're going to cycle the key back on within 5 seconds, and that'll put the park brake into service mode. So you're going to hold. So I'm holding the switch down, the accelerator down, I cycled the key off, and then I cycled the key back on, and you'll hear a motor running in the back on the calipers, and it takes about 10 seconds for them to fully disengage so you can do the service work on them. Now you're ready to go ahead and press the pistons back into the bores. And when you're finished with the brake job, you need to put it back into standard mode, and I'll show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is after you're done, you're going to pump the brake pedal and get all the fluid and stuff back into the caliper. After you get the fluid back into the caliper, now what we're going to do is we're going to cycle the key on. We're going to pull the park brake switch upwards in the upright position, hold the accelerator to the floor, and we're going to cycle the key off and back on within 5 seconds. And when we're doing this, we're going to make sure we're holding the switch in the upright position and the accelerator is pressed all the way. Cycle the key off and back on within 5 seconds, and that'll reinitialize the park brake system. And you'll hear the little motors running in the back for about 5 or 6 seconds. Once you're done, I also recommend that you operate the park brake and make sure it engages and disengages, and you'll see the light on the dash come on. So you may want to cycle the key on and off a few times, and just without holding the accelerator pedal down or anything like that. We're just doing it normally like we're going to drive the vehicle. So you're going to operate the switch on and off and make sure that the park brake is working correctly. So that's how you put your electronic park brake into service mode. I'm Brian Nessa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.